Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm an attorney who deals with child custody and family law matters in Middle Tennessee. And I'm here to give you a vocabulary lesson about terms that we use in juvenile court that will help you through the proceedings. The first word we'll talk about is indigent, and what that refers to is usually in a preliminary hearing, the judge will ask if you are able to afford an attorney, and you fill out a sheet that usually covers your income, your expenses, and then the judge will make a determination if you meet a certain threshold to be able to be eligible for a court-appointed attorney and not have to pay that attorney. The next word is waiver, or I'm going to waive something. Doesn't mean waive. It just means that you are going to give up something, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. So if you have a preliminary hearing, the judge can say, do you want to waive your preliminary hearing? And you can say, yes, I want to waive it because I don't want to have the preliminary hearing. I want to move on to the next stage. You can waive your right to counsel. So you can say, no, I don't want counsel. I want to proceed pro se. Which brings us to our next word, pro se. That is a fancy word for on my own. I'm going to do it myself. I don't want an attorney. I want to act as my own attorney. And the judge will require you to be the attorney in the case. The judge will not give you advice on how to proceed with your case because you are saying, I am the lawyer. I am capable of doing this myself, which is totally fine. But just understand that that means that you will then be operating without an attorney if you go pro se. Okay, I was running out of daylight, so I had to move my car, so I got better lighting, so we're good now. Last term, stipulate. If you stipulate to something, you are saying you agree to it. So if you think about it in terms of in criminal court, people who are charged with something will plead guilty to something. In juvenile court, you are stipulating to a finding. You're not pleading guilty because it's civil court, but you are stipulating to a finding under the facts of the petition. And that is what our kind of counterpart is to guilty plea. It's a stipulation. I promise to do more vocabulary lessons as more of words come up that I think people need to understand better for juvenile court. Follow me for more information on child custody and D&N matters in Middle Tennessee.